Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I actually don't know what I'm doing, but I just thought that it would be fun to vlog. I spend all day Sunday at church. I go to Hillsong Dallas, and so I'm going to take you guys along.
I'm sorry.
We are live.
What up? What up, America?
Say what I do though. We're on our way to lunch. Where are we going? On our way to lunch.
Currently going to Pecan Lodge.
He's like,
Where do you get off?
Tell him we look like we're kissed by the sun.
Yeah, seriously?
Get this to zoom. It won't zoom.
show them my new haircut.
What's up, guys? We're just out here.
We're out here at Medora
Tacos.
Baja. You eat Baja?
Yes.
Baja ribs. Wow, that was fast.
We have to go. Food's here.
Leaving dinner.
Not dinner.
Leaving lunch.
Lunch. We got tacos. Now we're gonna get
So
coffee.
Oh, yes. I need coffee. I think.
Caffeine.
And a nap, maybe.
And
Then we're going back
then we're
to
gonna chill.
Hey vlog, we're here in Texas. It's really hot out here. With all my friends.
Burning alive, man! This sun's doing massacre to my skin.
It's pretty bad.
Rocky right there. Always ready.
Hi, ladies.
Let's go.
Hey, you gotta get Brandon on the vlog. My new best friend.
Mm-hmm. She's supposed to be captivating others, and she didn't captivate.
Oh.
She didn't captivate me others. She judged me.
Okay. What do you have to say to that, Bianca?
Honestly, you're supposed to be Brandon J. Walker, but you were just Brandon today. I'm screaming!
But you knew what I was saying. That's why we were like, whose looks like that? Does yours look like that? Does mine don't look like that? I have to take a single poop bath.
Well, none of us are in focus, but we gotta be kind of quiet because there's other people asleep. But hope you enjoyed the vlog. Over. See ya next time. Okay.
Why am I so white? I don't know how to fix myself. Hi guys, yesterday I got to take you guys around church with me, which is what I do all day Sunday. So everything you saw is like typical Sunday of my life. And today's Monday, where I get all of my things ready for the week. And right now it's like 10ish and I'm going to get a facial, and then tonight we're having our bachelorette watch party. It's the hometowns, which is awesome. And so I'm having some people over tonight, which will be so fun. I love that. All right, I just made it out of my facial. I do not, maybe I have a little bit of post-facial glow, but I definitely have post-facial extractions. I think that I have a decent pain tolerance. Like, I can sit down for a tattoo. I'm not nervous. Like, I'll sit so still, best client ever. But when it comes to my face, like microblading, extractions, all of that stuff, no. Like, I'm such a baby when it comes to stuff on my face. It's so sensitive. But it was great. I got a whole like regimen. If you're in Dallas, I went to 11 Wellness and I saw Amanda. She was awesome. So I'm on like a whole new skincare situation, which will hopefully be great. And I obviously need to drink more water, which is always the answer to most of my problems. Sometimes I think if I just drank more water, all of my life problems would be solved. And I really believe that that's true.
Patty!
Okay.
Hi. Welcome to Crib.
Why do I always
This
do
is me.
that?
I'm Ben. These are my girls. This is Abby, Bianca, Mel, Blake. Yeah. We're having a party. This is fun. It's a blast. We're gonna watch The Bachelorette because we don't have lives. So this
Wait,
is.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Jed's family was rough. All right, let's just be honest.
Yeah.
It wasn't good.
No.
And then Luke P made Christians look very interesting.
6.5 hours later.
Tyler C. He's my boy. I support him.
It's just James, and now he's feeling through the show. Oh.
Got all of that.
Bubba's. Marty. Was that a sound?
Anything to the viewers?
Hey, you know what? Keep on watching. There's more where this came from.
Whoa.
These are just
Oh.
good enough.
Like and
I'm gonna put
subscribe,
them down.
please.
Every time she says this,
Why are you so red? Wait.
Best thing I've ever seen her do.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
Let's end the vlog.
Game night has ended. We're all going home.
The vlog has ended.
The vlog has ended. We had a great day.
It's a great time.
Great
Abby
weekend.
Abby came back home. We're glad Abby is home because we love and miss her and all of her greatness that she brings us.
Wow, thank you. Thank you.
I'm great.
What are you doing, bro?
Play with the kitties.
Anyways, so we hope you had a great time because we had a great time. So now you go. Hey, and don't forget,
She's gonna put a little box like right here.
and subscribe.
She put down here.
And you know,
Yeah.
hit that little notification thingy so you know when we upload a next video.
Yes.
Because we're so
But you know what? I'm tired of telling people what to do. So you do whatever you want. If you want to do it, do it. But hey, if you want advice,
Okay, bye guys.
do it.
Bye.
See you guys.
Mwah.